Today, I'm making my creamy, tasty chicken mayo spread and turning it into the yummiest toasted Turkish bread sandwich. Trust me, this is so easy. And the flavor is a 10 out of 10. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast boiled and cooled, 1 small onion, salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste. Mayonnaise: I'm using Best Foods Mayonnaise because it's extra creamy, but you can use your favorite. Cucumber for sandwich filling. Avocado. A few onion slices for sandwich filling. Turkish bread: I'm using the one from Aldi, it's perfect for toasting. Now I'm preparing the chicken mayo spread. Chop the onion. Chop your onion in the chopper as well. Boil your chicken breast until fully cooked. Then let it cool completely. Chop the chicken. Once cooled, cut it into cubes and place it in your Kmart manual chopper. Give it a few quick chops until it's shredded. Mix everything together in a mixing bowl. Add your chopped chicken, onion, salt, black pepper, and mayonnaise. Time to taste test. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Once done, set the chicken mayo aside. Slice your cucumber. Slice some extra onion for crunch. Spread a generous layer of the chicken mayo mixture on the bottom half. If you like, add cheese on top. My son did this, it melts perfectly when toasted. Now I'm preparing the sandwich filling. Cut your avocado. Mine looked so good today. Perfect for this sandwich. This chicken mayo spread is so easy to make, and when you put it in Turkish bread with fresh fillings, it's next level good. Definitely a 10 out of 10 lunch for us today. Now ready to assemble the sandwich. Close the sandwich and wrap it in baking paper so it stays together when toasting. Optional: cheese for that melty goodness when toasted. Toasting and serving. Flat toast the sandwich until the bread is golden and crispy, and the inside is warm and melty if you use cheese. Unwrap and take a big bite. Wow, so creamy, fresh, and absolutely delicious.